Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get new official themes for Windows 11. So for that, what you can do, you can simply click on the start icon and simply search your Microsoft Store. You can simply search your Microsoft Store and simply click on open. After coming over into Microsoft Store, you can simply see there is an option called themes. If you can't see it like mine, you can simply click on download, and from here click on check for updates and click on update all. And you can see the Microsoft Store is also updating. And after complete the update, you can see right now the themes options is now visible in our Microsoft Store. So now if you click on the themes option, and then you can make your device your own personalized option for your themes. You can see there are lots of new options for new releases, technology and games, lots of categories over here you can see. So you can simply choose from here any of your favorite themes, and that will be officially decorated or created by Microsoft. So I would like to come over into this new section called new release, and I found a very minimal drift option. You can see the minimal drift. There has their own, wallpaper to get set. So I'm going to click on apply theme. This theme I want to get to apply in my computer, and now it's getting ready and preparing to download. After complete the download, you can simply see the option called apply theme. If you click on that, now you can see that your PC is rightly changed with the theme that you downloaded. And now if you click on the right mouse button and simply go for the personalization, you can simply see the theme over here. So if you click on the themes options, and you can simply select your theme. And if you want to change any of themes, like if I just want to click on browse themes, and if I just want to change any of these, you can simply click on and select them like this. And now if you want to use a custom theme, you can also click on the use custom theme. But I really like this theme. It's very cool. And if I just click on the background, into the background, I can simply change personalize your background. I'm going to click on slide bar, or maybe I will going to click on a picture, and that's it. This is how you can simply getting the new themes for your Windows, and this is officially created by Microsoft. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.